Calibrating the new Loklik cutting machine is so simple. Come with me, I'll walk you through the entire process. Starting in the top right hand corner, select Help and move down to Machine Calibration. Then you will be prompted to print this first page. Traditional print settings and regular copy paper will work perfectly. You don't need anything special here. Now that we have our print ready, it is now time to jump back into our software and hit Next. Here we will be prompted to add our paper onto our mat. Please keep in mind when working with copy paper that we want to use our light grip or our blue mat for optimal use. Now make sure that your device is connected to your computer via Bluetooth or cord. Insert your mat and then cut. The cut process does not take very long. It simply just goes through and makes small, thin cuts on all of those little marks. Once the cut process is complete, you want to unload your mat, and then you can either leave your paper on the mat or take it off. Either way is going to work perfectly, but you will see that the cuts are very close or exactly on top of those lines. When you jump back over to your software, it is going to have you input the offset, A through D, and each section is labeled. The number you want to insert for each section is the perfect cut line, either directly on top of the line or very close to it. There is an option from -10 all the way up to +10, so make your best judgment choice. And from here, you are ready to do any print and cut projects. If you would like to see a full in-depth step-by-step tutorial for a print and cut project using the Loklik machine, please head over to our platform and become a bestie. That is our subscription where you get unlimited access to myself and all of our tutorials. See you there.